Want to update KeePassXC to the latest version? Keeping KeePassXC up to date gives you the latest security improvements, bug fixes, performance enhancements, and new features. In this guide, I'll show you how to update KeePassXC safely and easily. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC and click the Help menu, then select About KeePassXC. Here you can see the version that's currently installed on your computer. Knowing your current version makes it easy to determine whether an update is available. Next, open your web browser and visit the official KeePassXC website. Navigate to the download page and compare the latest available version with the one installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, download the installer for your operating system. Now download the latest KeePassXC installer and wait for the download to finish. If you're using the portable edition, download the newest portable package instead. Downloading directly from the official website helps ensure you receive a genuine and secure release. Close KeePassXC if it's currently running, then open the installer you just downloaded. Follow the installation wizard to complete the update. Your existing password database remains separate from the application, so updating KeePassXC won't remove your saved passwords. Finally, launch KeePassXC again and return to Help, then About KeePassXC. Confirm that the new version number is displayed. You can now continue using your existing password database with the updated application, and that's how to update KeePassXC. Installing the latest version helps keep your password manager secure, stable, and equipped with the newest improvements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.